Welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram story mention not working. So what it means is when you mention somebody and the person is not going to see, like, it's not going to reflect on your Instagram story. So stay with me so that I can pull you through on how to fix that issue. So first thing you have to do is go to your phone settings and you go down to apps. So once you go to apps, you are going to search for Instagram. Okay, my apps are still loading. So you wait. It's taking much time. Okay, click on that, and once you click on Instagram, you go to storage. Once you go to storage, make sure you clear the cache and also clear the data. So I'm going to clear my cache. So it hasn't cleared. And you click on force stop. Click on that as well. So once you click on that, you go back, you go to your Play Store, Apple Store, and you search for Instagram. So you search for Instagram and click on updates if you have an update. Once you update this and follow all the steps in this video, your problem is going to be fixed. And if it does not work out, all you need to do is you need to log out from your account and log in back, and the problem is going to be fixed 100%. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.